Hello class, welcome to week 1. As promised, here's my second video for you to talk about what we're going to be doing this week. As I noted in my welcome video, make sure you check the announcements as soon as you get in the shower to make sure there's nothing that I've communicated that it's really impertinent for you to know about the course or assignments or anything. So make sure that you first go into the announcements section and read whatever is there. So if you click on week 1, you're going to see what we're going to be covering this week: the counselor as a person and a professional, and then various ethical issues in the field of counseling. Now that's a different course all in itself, so we're going to be covering it in a lighter manner throughout this week. So when you look down here, you're going to see through this week, we're going to be reading chapters 2 and 3 in your textbook. And if you click on this tab, you'll be directed to a PowerPoint. Every week throughout this course has a PowerPoint with the exception of week 8. So this PowerPoint is supplemental to help you really absorb the different readings and the various concepts throughout the course. For this week, what is due? You have 2 items. You are to post on the video introduction forum, and I'll go to that in a minute, and that is worth 10 points. It is to be completed by the end of this week, Sunday by midnight. So post to the video introduction forum, and you also are supposed to post to the discussion board, the regular main discussion board. Your initial post is due Thursday by midnight, and then you are to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. If you look down here, you will see the prompt for this week, and to look at basically what we're going to be talking about with individuals, the time of their lives, overt and covert expectations. So there's a lot of different prompts in here, a lot of different things, ways that you could take this post in order to answer your initial posting. It talks about how to title your thread, and to make sure that you respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. Down here, there's 6 different ways that you can do this to really elaborate and keep the conversation going. I don't want to see a response of, yes, I agree, good point. It's important to keep it going to add depth to the conversation. And remember, there's also the discussion forum rubric that can be found on the course information page, as well as netiquette expectations for the discussion board. So there is what you have for the main discussion board, and then down here you have your introduction post. If you click on either one of these links, it will take you right here or right here to the discussion board in itself. So with your introduction post, I have different prompts here that you can utilize via video announcement to talk about yourself. It's important to really have this post because we can really connect with one another and learn about one another through these video introductions. So that is worth 10 points, and it's due by the end of week 1. And the other board is worth 20 points, and I already reviewed the due dates. So if you click on the discussion board link over here, you will see you come to the discussion board page. At the very top is the introduction post. And there's a quick video if you decide to use Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I use for my courses. You can get the upload directly from Screencast-O-Matic to share on here, or you can upload it via YouTube and share it that way. If you want to record in some other means, that is fine as well. Just the main thing is that it's public enough for your class to see it. So there's a video, though, if you choose to use Screencast-O-Matic for the video introduction. And then down here is the prompt for the main discussion board. At the very bottom, you will find the discussion boards for the class question board if you have any sort of question, to post it there, and then the student lounge for you to engage with your peers. So for this week, again, you are to complete your readings, complete your introductory video post, and then your discussion board posting. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. Just reach out to me as need be. Thank you.